Good evening, all of you. My name is Shivani. I am telling about myself. My name is Shivani. I pursue in ninth class in Global Public School, and my 8th class was done with 99 percentage. And my last school name is RK Senior Secondary School. And my extracurriculum activities is participate in Mehndi in Shukuni Vidya High School and participate in dance in RK Senior Secondary School, participate in Raga competition in Shukuni Vidya High School and award first prize in Mehndi in Sri Kundan Vidya High School and third prize in Raga competition in Sri Kundan Vidya High School and first prize in writing in Sri Kundan Vidya High School and my is uh, daily I go to the hobby is dancing, playing, and playing. Playing is very important for our health because with the help of playing, our body is active and our body is not damaged because our hand and leg is work and our body is very important for and our body is very important. Many parts of our body like eye, ear, nose, lips, teeth, tongue, head, hair, hand, fingers, thumb, neck, shoulder, stomach, belly, pet, waist, elbow, and leg, foot, toes, uh, ear, uh, etc. And it is very useful for do this work because with the help of hand we can do this any work, and with the help of work we can run and we can walk, and with the help of hand we can eat, and with the help of work we can do this homework, and we can type the laptop and start the laptop, and with the help of eye we can see, and with the help of mouth we can speak, and with the help of nose we can smell, and with the help of ear we can listen, and with the help of mind we can think, and mind is main important part of our body because with the help of mind we can think in negative thoughts, positive thoughts, and two types of thoughts, positive thoughts and negative thoughts, and we can uh, we should think in positive because you should think in positive. uh, yeah, your life is positive, and you should not think in positive negative thoughts because you thought in a negative your life is still negative. And two types of mind, conscious mind and subconscious mind. Conscious mind is very important for our mind because with the help of conscious mind we can think big, and the subconscious mind work in only 12 hours, and heart is a main part of our body because with the help of body we can live, and without heart we cannot live, and and red heart color is red, and many types of color like blue, black, white, and many teachers read the color and learn the student, and student read in school, and many types of school, big school, small school, and my school name is Global Public School, and the main gate of my school this color is red. In my school many way, many trees, many classes, two staff room, two office, and one canteen, one library, and uh, many rooms, many teachers, and one playground in my school. First office for principal and second office for staff members. And in this class, many benches, one blackboard, and one lecture stand, one chair. And in the class, teacher is coming and read the student books and copy, and teachers give the homework to home, like English homework, Hindi homework, math homework, and many students do the homework at home, and many students not do the homework at home because many student is intelligent and many student is not intelligent. Many students are good, many students are not good, and many students do the respect of teachers, and many students don't do the respect of teachers, and many students are mannerless, and many students are not mannerless, and many types of student in school. And the principal of my school, his name is Satinder Malik, and his wife name is Monica Malik, and the principal have one brother, his name is Harinder Malik, and his wife name is Shikha Malik, and Satinder Malik is a advocate, and he not go to court because uh, uh, every time not coming the case nearby my principal sir, and he do this work in office, as court के work, school work, and teachers make a paper in school, and do the work in school, and many types of paper, English paper, Hindi paper, and teachers make a paper many types of big paper and small paper, and many pages of 1, 2, 3, and teachers give the knowledge of student to student, and uh, teachers telling about what is discipline, what is the value of time, and education is very important for student, because with the help of education, uh, student make everything, and knowledge is very important for student, because uneducated person do this work with the help of knowledge, because uneducated person go to the factory and do this work, and the money drive our home, because uneducated person have many knowledge, because uh, they have many experience do this work, and many educated person do this work in a company, in office, and stand our business, and do this work and the money, but education, knowledge is very important than education, because uneducated person not do this work, but knowledge is very important. Knowledge give by mind, and mind is your mind is sharp, you can do this any work, and you can solve the any problem, and with the help of mind we can solve the any problem in math, and we can learn everything like English, Hindi, math, and English is very important for student, because in present time English is most important, because with the help of English we can do this any work, and we can join the any company, and we can go the any country, and with the help of English. But you cannot speak in English. You not go and you not join the other company, and you cannot do this any work. And English is very important, because English is a funny language. English is very easy language. Many students are understand. English is a very hard language, but it is very funny language, and it is very easy language. You want speak in English, and you do the practice with the help of modals, tenses, grammar, part of speech, like noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, helping verb, articles, preposition, modals, tenses, etc. And it is very most important for speaking English. And I'm telling about what is noun, pronoun, etc. And noun is a most important, because you can speak the every you can speak the itself noun. Everything is noun, like you, me, and everything is noun. And pronoun, pronoun in 7 types of: I, he, she, it, they, you, we. And I'm telling about the chart of pronoun, the form of pronoun: I, मैं, my, मेरा, me, मुझे, myself, मेरे बारे में, he, वह, his, उसका या उसकी, हिम उसे, हिमसेल्फ उसके बारे में, शी वह, हर उसका, हर उसे, हर सेल्फ उसके बारे में, इट कोई निर्जीव वस्तु के लिए, वी हम, आवर हमारा, अस हमें, आवर सेल्फ हमारे बारे में, दे वे देयर उनका, देम उन्हें, देम सेल्फ उनके बारे में, यू तुम, योर तुम्हारा, यू तुम्हें, योर सेल्फ तुम्हारे बारे में. This is a pronoun, that's a form of pronoun, 7 types of, and you can you want to speak everything with the help of a pronoun. You can speak. And next preposition, in, on, at, for, behind, in front of, uh, towards, during, and then, and thoughtfulness, and into, over, upon, on, in, etc. Because many types of preposition and modals, can, could, may, would, could have to, could have plus third form, and would have to, would have plus third form, may, must, might, and should be, should have plus third form, and want, dare, need, used to, many types of modals, etc. And uh, now I'm telling about what is the value of practice. Practice is most important for speaking English, because with the help of practice, without practice, we cannot speak in English. And you want to speak in English, you do the practice daily, more and more, and you want to do the practice in front of mirror and talk with anyone, and you start the in a zero level, because short sentences, you see the video in YouTube, you see the video with the help of ChatGPT, you can speak, because you don't know what is the meaning of this word, you search the ChatGPT, with the help of ChatGPT, yeah, you can speak, and you, with the help of ChatGPT, you are understand what is the meaning of this word, and you are in your home, ChatGPT is not available, because YouTube is available in every phone, and you see the video in YouTube, like Akash Academy, Akash Academy speak in English, and you see the video, and with the help of practice, we can speak more and more, and your confidence is improved, and your hesitation is less, because you daily do the practice, your hesitation is less, and your confidence is more and more, because with the help of competition, you can impress every person, and your grammar is mistake in speaking English, but your confidence is impressed over in front of your member, and because for speaking English is most important confidence, because every person have confidence, but many persons not show the our confidence, and many persons show our confidence, person show our confidence, it is improve, it is impressed in front of members, and but many people are not show our confidence, it is less, and it is damage our speaking English, because you do the practice daily in front of mirror and talk with anyone, your confidence is improved, already your confidence is improved, and daily you do the practice. And what is the value of timing? Daily you make a timetable, this time you do the practice, and daily you do the practice for speaking English, and because you need a speaking English, don't need a every person speaking English, because you need a speaking English.